Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Globos Plateados is probably one of the most eye-catching and versatile decorations you can choose for any celebration, instantly transforming a simple space into a festive wonderland. Whether you're planning a birthday bash, a wedding reception, or a New Year's Eve party, these shimmering spheres add a touch of elegance and fun that guests of all ages will absolutely adore, making your event truly unforgettable. Number 5. Bezente Silver Metallic Chrome Latex Balloons. These shiny metallic balloons are perfect for a wide range of celebrations. Whether it's a wedding, graduation, birthday, or holiday party, they add a touch of elegance. You can use them for proposals, carnivals, or even a little mermaid party. Crafted from premium latex material, these balloons are designed for durability and long-lasting quality. They are odorless and safe to use around children, ensuring peace of mind for your event. Their robust construction makes them ideal for any party setting. Each set provides 100 beautiful 12-inch silver party balloons, along with a 33-foot silver ribbon. This generous quantity and perfect color ensure you have everything needed for your party decorations. They are ideal for creating stunning displays for any celebration. These metallic latex balloons can be easily inflated with hydrogen, helium, or air. For best results with helium, they will float for over 12 hours. Combining them with other balloons is also a fantastic way to enhance your party's decor. We are confident in the superior quality of these metallic chrome silver balloons, made from grade A materials. Our production process is carefully monitored to ensure excellence. If you encounter any issues or are not completely satisfied, please contact us. We are here to help 24/7. What we like. This pack offers a generous 100 count of 12-inch balloons, perfect for filling large spaces. It also conveniently includes a ribbon, saving you an extra purchase. If you're planning a big event and need a complete, ready-to-use set, you should consider this one. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to generate helpful points. Number 4. PartyWoo Silver Balloon Arch Kit G102. Introducing the PartyWoo Silver Balloon Arch Kit G102. This comprehensive set provides everything you need to create stunning decorations. It includes 100 balloons in various sizes. They are perfect for any event. Crafted from thick, durable latex, these balloons are designed to last. They stay full longer, ensuring your decorations look perfect from start to finish. You can trust them to maintain their vibrant appearance throughout your entire event. Setting up your party decor is a breeze with this kit. These balloons feature standard necks for quick and easy inflation with air. Once filled, they can stay full for up to 72 hours, giving you plenty of time to prepare. Whether it's a birthday, graduation, wedding, or baby shower, these silver balloons are ideal. They add a touch of elegance and joy to any celebration. Make your special moments even more memorable with them. For the best results, remember not to overfill these balloons. Avoid direct sunlight, excessive heat, or sharp objects to ensure their longevity. Control the air amount to achieve your desired balloon size and shape. What we like. This set provides 100 balloons in a fantastic range of sizes, from 5 to 36 inches, allowing for dynamic displays. Their thick, durable latex ensures they hold up well for extended celebrations. If you are looking to create intricate balloon arches or garlands with varied dimensions, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews provided in source. No reviews provided in source. Number 3. PartyWoo Metallic Silver Balloon Silver G102. This package includes 85 stunning metallic silver balloons. You'll find a variety of sizes, from grand 18-inch to charming 5-inch, perfect for any design. Crafted from high-quality latex, they are completely safe and non-toxic. For easy inflation, we recommend using a hand or electric balloon pump. Fill them with air for up to 72 hours of fullness, or helium for 3 to 6 hours of elegant float. For optimal results, inflate with helium just 1 to 2 hours before your special event. These are perfect for creating stunning balloon garlands and arches. Use them to elevate birthdays, weddings, baby showers, anniversaries, or any themed party celebration. Remember not to overfill them and keep them away from direct sunlight, heat, or sharp objects. Carefully control the air amount to achieve your desired balloon size and shape. What we like. With 85 pieces, this collection stands out with its stunning metallic silver finish, adding a touch of elegance to any party. They are also made from non-toxic latex, ensuring safety for all guests. If you prioritize a sophisticated, shimmering aesthetic and peace of mind regarding materials, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 2. PMLAND 100 Silver Latex Balloons 12 inches. Make every event sparkle with these beautiful silver balloons. They are perfect for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, and any festive gathering. Crafted from high-quality natural latex, they offer exceptional durability and vibrant colors. Their size is adjustable from 9 to 12 inches. Featuring a thickened design, these balloons are reinforced to prevent easy bursting during inflation. You can confidently use them for your party decor. For best results, use a balloon pump to inflate them to approximately 12 inches. Remember to avoid overinflating and keep them away from sharp objects or high temperatures. These balloons are suitable for children aged 8 and above. Please keep uninflated or broken pieces out of reach of younger children to prevent choking hazards. What we like. This package delivers 100 standard 12-inch balloons crafted from high-quality natural latex. Their thickened design significantly reduces the chance of bursting, ensuring your decorations last. If you need reliable, durable balloons for a classic look and worry-free setup, these are a solid pick. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 1. PartyWoo Silver Balloons G102 Kit. Introducing our stunning silver balloon kit. It includes 130 pieces in various sizes, perfect for creating a spectacular display. You'll find 18, 12, 10, and 5-inch balloons to craft beautiful arches, garlands, and centerpieces. Please note, the smallest size won't float with helium. These balloons are crafted from thick, durable latex, ensuring they stay full longer. They're designed to keep your decorations perfect from start to finish. Easily inflate them with air, and they'll stay full for up to 72 hours. Their standard necks allow for quick and hassle-free inflation. Remember not to overfill them and avoid sharp objects or excessive heat. Control the air amount to achieve your desired balloon size. They are ideal for birthdays, weddings, graduations, baby showers, and more. Use them to make any special occasion truly unforgettable. What we like. Boasting an impressive 130 balloons, this is the largest pack we've seen, offering an extensive range of sizes for grand decorations. Their robust quality makes them perfect for creating elaborate balloon arches and garlands. If you're planning a truly massive celebration and need maximum coverage and versatility, this set is your go-to. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.